In today's video, I'll teach you how to apply a coupon code on Temu. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in temu.com. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Temu. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Make sure you're logged into your account. So if you want to apply the coupon code, for that what you have to do is go to the checkout interface. In order to do that, make sure to add the items to cart. For that, what you have to do is simply click on the item that you would like to purchase. After you do that, click on the option add to cart. Now after you've added the item to the cart, what you have to do is simply click on this cart icon that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to the cart interface. You'll be able to see all the items that you've added to the cart over here. Select the items that you would like to check out. After you do that, click on this option checkout that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the checkout interface of Temu. You'll be able to see the order summary over here. You can see the item total, item discount, subtotal, shipping, tax, etc. So if you want to apply the coupon code, over here you'll be able to find this option for enter coupon code. What you have to do is click on this field. Now once you do that, simply enter your coupon code over here. Make sure to enter the correct coupon code. After you do that, click on the apply option that you can see on the screen. If your coupon code is correct, the code will be applied and you'll be able to get the promised discount and your order total will decrease. So like this, you'll be able to apply the coupon code. So that is how you apply coupon code on Temu. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.